Alert! Another player has entered the drone manufacturing game, but what will this one bring to the competition? Well, it finally happened. Sony, the brand renowned for its impressive mirrorless cameras, has developed a UAV that turns your favorite handheld shooter into a payload. We tested the Sony Airpeak with the A7S III and found that it is a very smooth drone for the payload size. This is, in fact, the smallest drone capable of carrying a full-frame mirrorless camera. Some of the features consumers may enjoy with this ship are the full camera controls on screen, the option for dual operator controls, retractable landing gear for visibility, 360 degrees of obstacle avoidance, and the ability to hot swap batteries to reduce downtime. But the feature that we here at ARM US find most interesting is this drone is NDAA compliant. At a glance and on paper, this is a cinema drone, but we've been discussing with Sony how to bring some of the more enterprise-oriented payloads on board, and we hope to have some exciting updates to share with you in the near future. So stay tuned to this channel for news on this and other products. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments section or reach out to our team at ask@armus.com.